Do you often feel muscle soreness or neck and shoulder tension after a long day? It's time to treat yourself to the relaxation you deserve. Introducing the Deep Shiatsu Neck Massager, your ultimate solution to alleviate muscle soreness and eliminate cervical fatigue. With advanced infrared heat therapy, our neck massager helps improve blood circulation while soothing tired muscles. The device automatically shuts off after 15 minutes for your safety, giving you a worry-free relaxation experience. Choose your perfect level of intensity with 3 customizable speeds. Use the long handle straps to find the perfect massage position and pressure that suits you best. Crafted from high-quality materials, the Nekteck back massager is designed to be both comfortable and easy to maintain. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, this massager adapts to your lifestyle. It comes with an AC adapter and a car adapter, making it perfect for any setting. Plus, it's UL listed so you can trust its safety and durability. For the best experience, if you're new to deep massages, place a towel between your skin and the massager for added comfort. Please note that this product is not recommended for individuals with certain medical conditions. Always consult your doctor if unsure. And remember, this massager is not cordless. For optimal performance, ensure the power connection is secure. It's the perfect gift idea for someone you care about, offering them the chance to unwind and rejuvenate. Plus, with a 1-year warranty and lifetime support, you can buy with confidence. Don't wait to experience the relief you deserve. Click the link below to get your own Deep Shiatsu Neck Massager today and transform your relaxation routine.